Alam na alam ni GSM gusto ni Alyssa yung bola. 6 points by Valdez coming off the bench. Arroyo denied. Santiago touches it. It has to be a swing. Arroyo again. Reach 4 by Carlos. Dumped over by De Guzman.
A well-placed shot.
Minute muna siya sa defense formation before dropping that ball. Dahil nakita niya kagad, ang layo na naman.
On the match and its style of play. Here's De Leon serve. Gonzaga. Uh-oh. That net is a problem area. Block!
Arroyo rejected.
Ganda ng time. Sarado yung down the line and even cross court. Finding that open space in zone 1.
Mondoñedo. Ceballos, no entry. One more time around the block. Key is still nowhere in sight. Still locked. Gonzaga, then Lazaro Revilla doing what she has done for so many years now. In the meantime, Gonzaga
Oh, nice save!
to the back cross!
Grabe yung composure ng Creamline after that long rally. Ang bilis ng balikan ng bola. Save by Pangs Panaga and a push again by De Guzman targeting zone 1. What a play by the Cool Smashers.